What's up guys, Arya here and I'm back with an awesome guitar lesson. Wake Me Up When September Ends by Green Day. It's a beautiful song, nice acoustic sound to it, and best song for all the beginners out there who want to learn some Green Day songs or songs which they want to jam with their friends and bands. And yeah, then you're in the right place. And mostly, thank you for subscribing my channel and supporting me guys. I really appreciate all the support. But if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button followed by the bell notification so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. So without any delay guys, let's zoom in and check it out. So guys, the best part of this song is that the guitar is tuned to standard and you don't need any capo or anything. The song begins with a small intro where the guitarist is playing some notes, something like this. So all you need is your ring finger on the D string of the 5th fret, open G, and your B on the 3rd fret with your index finger. So when the intro is beginning, the D string, we are placing our ring finger on the 5th fret of the D string, then it is 4th fret on the D string, then 2nd fret of the D string, and throughout this part the G string and the B string, they are exactly the same. Open G and your B string will be on the 3rd fret. So D on the 5th, open G and B on the 3rd, and your picking pattern is D, G, B, D, G, B. Exactly the same for the entire part. So D, G, B, D, G, B, D, G, B, D, G, B. That's one count. And then it will be your middle finger on the 4th fret of the D string, G and B exactly the same. Then we move our index finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, open G and your B on the 3rd fret. As I said, G and B exactly the same. So D on the 2nd, in the next part, we'll be playing open D string, G and B. Your ring finger will be on the B string. So far, we are beginning from the top, D on the 5th fret, D on the 4th, D on the 2nd, open D, in the next part we are playing the C bar chord. That is, bar will be on the 3rd fret and your ring finger will be on the G string 5th fret, pinky on the B string of the 5th fret, and middle finger on the D string 5th fret. You can play it like this, or you can place your ring finger entirely on the strings. I prefer to play it like this, but either way the picking pattern will be exactly the same, that is D, G, B. Alright, so D, G, B, D, G, B. After playing for the 2nd time, we are hitting the G string back for 1 time. Then we are switching to C minor, that is, the bar chord will be exactly the same. You are just placing your middle finger on the B string of the 4th fret, alright, and your pinky will be on the G string 5th fret and your ring finger on the 5th fret of the D string. Picking pattern exactly the same, and at the end of the 2nd picking pattern we'll be hitting the G string again. So playing from the C, C minor, and then we are playing a G chord. Now it's not the regular kind of G chord where we are placing our index finger on the A string, but we are just muting the A string with our middle finger. Basically people call it the Green Day G chord, so I also prefer calling it that way. So yeah, the G chord, you are placing your middle finger on the high E and muting the A note, A string, and your ring will be on the B string 3rd fret and your pinky on the E string on the 3rd fret. So the strumming pattern here is that we are hitting the high notes twice and then strumming the last 3 or last 4 strings for 1. After this we are going back to the intro section of the notes, and again we are coming back to the G chord sections, and then we are playing a small pre-chorus section of the song, and it sounds something like this. So for that what we have to do is, after playing the notes of the intro, play the G chord 2 times, but the second time we are just playing it half a time, that is only 1 count, and a back slow, that is 1. So we are not playing the second time, the whole second time. So it's 1 upstroke. We are removing our middle finger and placing our index finger on the high E string on the 2nd fret, and our ring finger and the pinky finger is exactly the same as they are. And we are playing the exact strumming pattern. The strumming pattern will be exactly the same for the pre-chorus section before we hit the chorus section. So yeah. So and this E section we are just playing once, that is 1/2, say that. So it's, then we are going to E minor, then we are going to B minor to C, then we are going back to G, again E minor, B minor, C to G. So the pre-chorus section from the beginning, E slash E minor. So when we are coming back to the G after playing the whole chords here, we are playing the G string, G chord for 1 beat only, that is that 2/2. Then again to E slash, then we are back to E, B minor, C, and then we are ending the whole pre-chorus with D. So from the top of the pre-chorus section, and we are going back to the notes. After this, we are entering the chorus section where the guitarist start playing the chords and the electric section also get into the song. So after playing the notes the way we play, instead of playing each note on the C and C minor, we are strumming it, because the guitarist starts strumming, the chorus begins, and the electric guitarist also comes into the song. So they start strumming. So the strumming pattern in the chorus section will be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So the strumming will be in two parts, that is, when we are playing the normal chords, that is C, C minor, E minor, B minor, C and D, the strumming pattern is down, 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 up, down, 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 up. But when we are playing the G and the E slash, we are just playing it half when the chorus is there. So it's alright, we are not repeating again. So the chorus section starts from there. We are playing the notes again once more, and then we are fully entering into the chorus section where the guitarist starts playing the entire songs on the chords that we learned so far, from C, C minor, then we're entering the G, E slash, then E minor, B minor, C, back to G, E slash, E minor, B minor, C and D. So I'll play the chords. Try to play along, because the strumming pattern is down, 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 up. Strumming. That's it for today's lesson, guys. After the chorus end, the whole thing starts all over again, so it's the same. And once you get the hang to the notes, the chords, the strumming pattern and everything, I do recommend to play along with the original soundtrack, or you can obviously check out my guitar cover for this song and play along with it. Both are the same. And yes, definitely, if you like the video, do give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, share it with your friends who are new to guitar and are learning to play guitar and are looking for some songs to jam. Definitely recommend them my channel. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button followed by the bell notification so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. I'll see you guys in my next video.